Palm oil softens the hair like mad.
When it comes to secret routines for hair growth, there are so many amazing home remedies you can try. A lot of these home remedies are African remedies which our ancestors used to care for their hair and to grow their hair to waist length to floor length.
Make sure that you are ready for mad results. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is another video where I'll be talking about secret remedies for hair growth, and today again I'll be addressing secret African remedies for hair growth, but I'll be focusing on just one of the remedies, which is palm oil. Now, palm oil is something I've done content on before, and it's also something that I get a lot of questions about because people are like, oh, I know I can use several things on my hair, but I didn't know I can use palm oil. So I feel like it's not as popular as most of the other African remedies, but it's still something that people are aware of that can be used for hair. And just as palm oil is very nutritious for consumption, it's something that we put in our food. So 99% of Nigerian foods have palm oil as one of the ingredients. I'm looking for my own video so that I can use my video as the reference for what we are going to be discussing today. I had thought I was going to shoot a video to demonstrate how to use palm oil, but I never got around to it before today, which is the upload date. The first video I'm seeing where I use palm oil is a video from 5 years ago. 5 years is a long time. Okay, so let me pick the one from 3 years ago since it's the most recent. I'm going to be using
Let this soft mineral melt in your hair. Did you know that only 3% of the population even know?
Today, I'm going to be applying palm oil to my hair and leaving it for 24 hours. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I have my red palm oil and I have my bowl. The palm oil is a bit stiff meaning it would not flow out of the bottle freely, and that's because it was in a cool place. Keeping red palm oil in a cool place like that tends to make it stiff, especially if the vendor did not mix it with the lighter part of the palm oil before bottling. If palm oil has been out in the sun for a while, it tends to be lighter and flow as light as coconut oil or olive oil. So I'm simply pouring my palm oil into a bowl. For this mask, I'm going to be using just palm oil. Hey guys, now this is a first for me and I'm pretty excited to see how this turns out compared to when I just put palm oil in my hair and leave it for a few minutes or an hour or two max. So here I have my palm oil in this bowl and I'm only going to be using palm oil on its own. Palm oil has amazing benefits for natural hair growth and for healthy hair, and I'm going to get into it in a bit, but I'm going to be using just palm oil for my hair today. I have a plastic bag to wrap around my hair for extra heat once I'm done applying my mask. You want to make sure that before you apply this mask, palm oil tends to get messy when you apply it to your hair, so you want to make sure that you have on an old shirt, something that if it gets stained you won't be too worried. Palm oil actually also stains, but depending on the fabric of your shirt, it may not stain as bad, so you want to make sure you have an old shirt on and just old clothes, so if it gets stained in a bad way you can easily discard them if you need to. My hair is currently up to 2 weeks past wash day. I can't even say, I haven't been keeping track, but this is what my hair is looking like. It's a bit itchy, my scalp is a bit itchy, so I'm actually slightly worried about how this will affect this mask being in my hair for 24 hours. So yeah, the last time I tried something like this, I was not on YouTube. It was with aloe vera. I left aloe vera in my hair for 24 hours. I was still in school then, and I went to school being university, so I went to school throughout the day, did a bunch of things throughout the day, and guys, it was the most uncomfortable experience of my life. I'm seriously hoping that this one is not like that. Simply going to part my hair. I like to apply my masks to detangled hair because it just makes the job easier. So I detangle my hair, I part my hair, I comb through my hair in sections, and then I go ahead to apply the mask. It does a great job of making it easier for me to detangle when it's time to wash my hair. So that's basically what I'm going to do. For this particular application, since I intend to leave it on for about 24 hours, I'm not going to use a lot of palm oil. At any other time, I'll use a generous quantity of palm oil to really soak into my hair the exact amount I need to just, condition my hair, keep my hair moisturized, and to give my hair the boost of nutrients that it needs. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of palm oil. While on one hand, palm oil is widely known as a consumable product, it's used to cook different types of food here in Africa. It's very, very popular here in Nigeria, and apart from being a consumable product, it's widely used in skin care products as well. When it comes to the use of red palm oil for ensuring hair growth, red palm oil has just as much benefits for hair as it does for skin and as a consumable product. Red palm oil contains carotenes which can be broken down into alpha carotenes, beta carotenes, and lycopenes, and these carotenes help in the prevention of brittle and weak hair. They help to boost the growth of stronger, healthier hair strand. Red palm oil also contains vitamins A and E, which makes it great for all hair types, makes it excellent for curbing dryness, for curbing hair loss, and for curbing hair and scalp diseases. It also makes it excellent for restoring natural oils to hair and balancing the moisture in hair. And it also makes it excellent for defining your curl pattern. Now, the vitamin E and the vitamin A in red palm oil help to promote cell growth of the hair follicles, which leads to stronger hair and in turn the
I wanted to watch the video up to a certain point so that I will get an idea of what that particular video was all about. Mind you, like I said, I posted this video 3 years ago. I didn't watch the video before sitting down because I wanted to watch it fresh as I was making this so that my reaction will be genuine and so that I will also have genuine things to say about palm oil, correct any things that I may have said wrong, and just bring newer insights into the use of palm oil for hair growth. Generally, palm oil is one of the simplest things you can use on your hair. It's one of the things that you don't need to pack too many other ingredients into it before you use it on your hair. I look at it as similar to shea butter. When it comes to shea butter, you can mix it with other ingredients, but it's not necessary. And you can use shea butter as a standalone product for your leave-in conditioner, for your hot oil treatment, for your deep conditioner, for so many things. That's the same with palm oil. The only difference between something like shea butter and palm oil is that palm oil stains because of the color, because of the redness, but shea butter does not really stain like that. Shea butter doesn't even stain. So I don't usually advise that you leave it in your hair as a leave-in conditioner. Also, it's way too thick for you to leave it as a leave-in conditioner. It will clog your pores and make your hair feel heavy. Palm oil coagulates when you leave it for a long time, just like shea butter. That's why I said it's most similar to shea butter. So it coagulates when you leave it for a long time and you leave it in a cold place. Now I'm speaking about how to use. The best way you can use palm oil is as a hot oil treatment. When you melt it down, it will be lighter in consistency. It will be almost the consistency of coconut oil. Coconut oil is not too heavy, not too light. When you melt palm oil down into that oil that you're going to use for the hot oil treatment, it's going to be more light. And so when you apply it to your hair, the hotness is going to make it penetrate your hair strands and your scalp better than if you apply it as a cold oil. When you want to apply it that way as a hot oil treatment, it's best to use very little. Remember, I said it stains. If you use too much, it's going to drip all over your face. It's just similar to hibiscus. The way hibiscus stains is the way palm oil stains, and you don't want that. Trust me, it will just be a mess. One of the ways I use it as a deep conditioner is as a protein deep conditioner. So I mix it with eggs just to just make it thicker in consistency. Eggs are already running in consistency. Palm oil is also liquid in consistency. So mixing eggs and palm oil will give you a runny textured product. The three things I use as deep conditioner mostly is palm oil, eggs, hair mayonnaise. Mix those together and trust me, you will have a very rich deep conditioner that when you apply it to your hair, it instantly softens your hair, conditions your hair, makes your hair moisturized. You can also use it as a leave-in conditioner, but you will have to mix it with several other products. And then if you want to use it as a leave-in oil, you will have to mix it with other carrier oils, a few essential oils. So let me give you an example of a combo you can mix and include palm oil. Olive oil, you can do coconut oil. The combo is olive oil, coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil. You will add essential oils like peppermint oil, and then you add your palm oil, very little in quantity. Okay, let's say you're adding 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and a few drops of your essential oils. Your palm oil should be like 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon because you don't want it to stain at all. You don't want a situation where you just touch your head somewhere and you see red in that place. So I've given you 4 ways you can use palm oil. Hot oil treatment, leave-in conditioner, leave-in oil. You can also use it as a pre-poo, which will be your hot oil treatment.
Apart from all of these, red palm oil also has antibacterial properties, which means that it helps to keep hair and scalp diseases at bay. It helps to provide a healthier and a cleaner environment for hair growth, and it helps to cleanse the scalp of any impurities. All of this it does while balancing the moisture in the scalp and eliminating dryness. Now I'm done applying my mask. I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag. My scarf, of course, everything is wrapped. So I'm just going to take down these sections now. My hair is extra soft, and I like that. I feel that by the time I go to wash, it'll be really moisturized. So the major part of this video is done. I went ahead to wash my hair now, and I simply did a shampoo and a conditioning. And guys, by the time I came out, my hair was super soft.
For this video, I think the difference between this video and the other videos is that this video I left the palm oil in my hair for 24 hours. That is something I did one time, this video, and I don't think I ever did it again because it's just extremely uncomfortable. I've done a few 24-hour hair growth challenges with the product in my hair for 24 hours. And apart from the fact that it's just extreme and it's not exactly necessary because you can still get the benefits from these products in a few minutes, like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You don't really need to leave a product in your hair for so long just so that you don't overstimulate your hair, just overfeed your hair. You can get the benefits without leaving a product in your hair for 24 hours. This is akin to those overnight challenges where you leave something in your hair for overnight when you really don't need to. So I left the product in my hair for 24 hours to see how my hair will react. I already knew it would make my hair really soft. While I don't really recommend leaving a product in your hair for 24 hours, something like palm oil, when it's left in the hair for up to 24 hours, will make your hair incredibly soft. Palm oil softens the hair like mad, and if you try it and it works for you, come back and comment on this video, even if you don't leave it for that 24 hours. But anyway, that's it for the video. That video, I feel it was insightful. Palm oil is one of those things that it's just around, especially if you're in Africa. Try it and enjoy the benefits for yourself. So that's it for this video. If you have learned anything from this video, kindly comment below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My returning subscribers, welcome. Everybody go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to help with engagement and to help us reach a wider audience here on YouTube. I will see you in my next video.